Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to work with instants. The instant class represent a specific moment in time in the GMT time zone. For example, if you want to run a timer, first we need to import Java time instant and need to import duration. Need to import Java time duration, and we have a variable right now, and we're going to call instant dot now, and then you can do something time consuming after this, and then we have where duration, and we are going to call duration dot between. We have right now this should be, then we have another variable where later, and we need to call instance now. After performing some time consuming here, so do something time consuming, then we are going to pause in later, and now we are going to get in milliseconds. So we are going to call duration dot 2 millis and print it out. Duration dot 2 millis, and we can run our code. I will add this for loop which will consume some time, so we can use for, and here I will have long I set to 0 and I less than some larger number, and you need L for long, and then I plus plus, and we are just going to run this loop and see. So here is return time in milliseconds, the duration we got. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.